Your credit score is a powerful three-digit number that plays a significant role in your financial life. Whether you're hoping to buy a house, lease a car, or even get a new cell phone plan, your credit score can influence the terms and opportunities available to you. But how is this number calculated? There are 5 main factors that shape your credit score, each carrying its own weight and importance.
The first and most significant factor is your payment history, which makes up about 35% of your overall score. Lenders want to see a strong record of on-time payments, because past behavior is often the best predictor of future reliability. Missing payments, having accounts go to collections, or declaring bankruptcy can all have a lasting negative effect.
Next is the amount owed, sometimes referred to as your credit utilization, accounting for 30% of your score. This looks at how much debt you're carrying compared to your total credit limit. Keeping your balances low, ideally below 30% of your available credit, signals responsible usage to creditors.
The third factor is the length of your credit history, which contributes around 15%. This includes how long your accounts have been open and the age of your oldest account. Generally, a longer history is better as it gives lenders more data to judge your financial habits.
Your credit mix comes in as the fourth factor at 10%. This refers to the variety of credit accounts you have, such as credit cards, installment loans, or mortgages. A diverse mix, when managed well, demonstrates your ability to handle different types of credit responsibly.
Finally, new credit rounds out the list, also at 10%. Opening several new accounts or having many hard inquiries in a short time can lower your score, as it may suggest financial instability.
By understanding and managing these 5 key factors, you can work towards building and maintaining a strong credit score, opening up more possibilities for your financial future.